folks. Big Brother is watching you, but in San Diego, they want to watch you better. The San Diego Police Department has plans to restore access to its smart streetlights network, which includes more than 3,000 devices that can collect images and other data. The goal is to use this network, along with new license plate reader technology, to solve crimes and protect the city's assets and resources. But not everyone is thrilled about this move. Privacy advocates have expressed concern about the potential for surveillance and intrusion. On one hand, the police argue that these tools are necessary for investigations and can improve public safety. On the other hand, critics worry about how the collected data will be used, who has access to it, and the possibility of abuse. The department is holding community meetings to gather input and address these concerns. So, what do you think? Are the benefits of improved crime solving worth the potential loss of privacy? Or is the potential for misuse too great a risk? And what about the cost? Is it worth $4 million to roll out this technology? Let's hear your thoughts.